Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I am going to discuss with you the question answer of Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. Let's begin to understand the question answer given on page number 104. Before I explain you the question answer, let me revise the third stanza of this poem. When aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie, still ring with ordeal she was mastered by. The tigers in the panel that she made will go on prancing, proud and unafraid. So her wish to live a free and fearless life is indicated by her choice of her designed tigers. It shows her innermost desire of being strong, fearless, which has been overpowered by her husband. Probably her ordeal will end upon her death, but it did not happen. Her frightened, shaking fingers will be put to rest, but it didn't happen. But still, even after death, the ring shall remain on her hand. Her husband's rule over her is not yet over. After her death, her desire of freedom and fearlessness shall remain alive in these tigers which she has embroidered. The poet says that one can easily sense aunt's desire to freedom and fearlessness through her design of tigers. Further, she says that it is not possible for aunt to achieve this freedom during her lifetime. She will attain it only after her death. But here also the irony of her life is that still she will be tied up with the shackles in the form of her husband's wedding ring. The ring was the sole proof of her torture which she had faced from her husband. On the other hand, there are the tigers designed by Aunt Jennifer which will always depict her desire of living a fearless life by jumping proudly and bravely on the piece of cloth. The literary device used is AA baby, which I already. Alliteration PP is repeated, prancing and proud. Now let me explain you the question answer. The first question that is here: how do denizen means resident or citizen, and chivalric bravely with bravery, chivalric add to our understanding of the tiger's attitude? The word denizen means that they are proud of their home, they feel safe there and have feeling of belonging attached to it. They are the resident of forest. The word chivalric shows that they have majestic and worthy position like a knight's bravery. Right? Why do you think Aunt Jennifer's hands are fluttering? Next question. Why do you think Aunt Jennifer's hands are fluttering through her wool in the second stanza? Why is she finding the needle so hard to pull? Her hands are fluttering probably because she is scared of her husband, who could come anytime and scold her for sitting idle and wasting her time doing embroidery. She finds the needle so hard to pull because her fingers are tired of working endlessly all through her life. This can be one of the explanation. The second explanation can be like this: that she finds it hard. Her hands are fluttering through her because she is extremely old and she is tired of her torture and or committing cruelty. Or the cruelty committed on her by her husband, and she is always afraid of it, and because of this reason her hands are fluttering, right? Her hands are fluttering probably because she is scared of her husband. That can be the reason. Next question: what is suggested by image massive weight of uncle's wedding band? Massive weight of uncle's wedding band suggests symbolically that the binding and the obligation of her marriage are so much that they have put lot of burden and stress on her. Of what? Next question: of what or of whom is Aunt Jennifer terrified with in third stanza? She is terrified of husband. Of what or whom is Aunt Jennifer terrified with in the third stanza? She is terrified of her husband. Next question: what are the ordeals Aunt Jennifer is surrounded by? Why is it significant that the poet used the word ring? What are the meaning of the word ring in the poem? The ordeals are The ordeals are the obeying her husband's orders. Fear of man. Right? Giving to his dominance and fulfilling his commands. Ring indicate entrapment. Entrap or trap. As the ring encircle the finger, similarly her husband has also encircled her in his clutches. Her body and soul are both trapped, struggling for freedom and fearlessness. Why do you think Aunt Jennifer created animals that are so different from her own character? What might the poet be suggesting through this difference? I think that Aunt Jennifer's intense desire for freedom and fearlessness came out through her creativity. This is the time when she is with herself, and then her innermost feelings are expressed here, her medium of expression in the embroidery. Through this difference, it is shown that the lady is not what she is. Her circumstances have made her so, but even she has a desire to live life with respect and pride. Interpret the symbol found in this poem. Denizen of world green means inhabitant of the forest. Massive weight of uncle's wedding band means the burden of marital obligation. Sit heavily upon ants means has laid lot of stress on her. Ring with ordeals means to get entrapped in hardship and suffering. Next question. Do you sympathize with Aunt Jennifer? What is the attitude of speaker towards Aunt? Yeah, I sympathize obviously with Aunt Jennifer. The speaker is also sympathetic towards her and hate dominating men. So this is the end of this poem, and by this way we have finished the syllabus of Flamingo textbook. Still I will inshallah revise it the entire textbook inshallah if time permit me. Thank you for watching my video. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.